What is AI? Is it like magic?
How does AI work?
How does AI help us in our studies and in our work?
Can AI think and learn like people do?
Can AI assist in solving environmental issues?
How does using AI change our perception of reality and truth?
Can AI teach me how to paint?
How does AI know what I like?
Can AI ever achieve true creativity, or will it always be a simulation of human creativity?
Can AI be my friend?
How does AI affect our free will? Can it control or influence our decisions?
Will the integration of AI influence human autonomy and agency?
Every question needs the opportunity to begin with curiosity. Get in now, inspiring today's youth with AI education.